Dude, guess what? Man, the Easter Bunny came. There are eggs everywhere, all over the yard. Wow. You gotta get your basket. You gotta go down there and get them. Look. Look. Do you see them? I saw one on top of the trash can. Did you see that? There are eggs everywhere. Come on, man. Let's go get our basket and hunt for them. Yeah? Okay, cool. Where's your shoes?
Downstairs.
Okay, well, let's go, man. Let's go down the stairs and get your basket. There's a basket down there they left for you, that the Easter Bunny left for you. One for you and one for Sheridan. Look, there's an Easter basket. What's in there? Chocolate! Oh, wow. It's time to take your Easter basket and find all the eggs in the yard. Put your shoes on. Hurry. Here, I'll get the basket for you. What? Okay. That's okay. You don't need socks for right now. Okay, dude, here's your basket. Let's go. We're supposed to find them all. Look, there's one on top of the trash can. Look right there. On top of the trash can, the black trash can. Yep, there's one right there, too. And there. Well, you're supposed to find them all. You got to get them and put them in your basket.
There's a real one right there.
Well, you got to get them and put them in your basket. There's one. Okay, there's a blue one. Can you reach it? Uh-oh. Come over here on this side. There you go. Oh, what? Do they have candy inside of them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, there's one. Oh, I see one down there. Okay.
Does the Easter Bunny come at night or morning?
Well, I don't know where the Easter Bunny, when he comes. Hey, look, you just walked right past one. Where'd that come from? Hey. Easter Bunny just put eggs everywhere.
This one's a big one.
Yeah. Hey, I see one over there.
I see one right there.
You see one right there? Get it. Hey, we gotta leave some for Sheridan, so leave that one there. Okay? We have to leave some for Sheridan to find. Okay, come on, they're all over the yard. I saw them everywhere. The Easter Bunny told me that there's so many eggs, he couldn't count them all.
He couldn't count all of his eggs?
Yeah. He said there's too many to count. Just go on out there and find them. Hey, there's one.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
It is amazing.
What's on my orange tree?
Hey, there's one underneath your orange tree. Cool.
Maybe he did
What
that.
do these things have in them? Let's see.
Maybe he did that because he likes my orange tree.
What do these have? Let me look. Oh, they got more eggs inside of them? Those are chocolate eggs. Awesome. What about these? These big ones. Those are mini Cadbury eggs.
Whoa.
Those are delicious. Chocolate bunny. Yummy. Chocolate. I love chocolate. Come on. Let's go. Where's some more?
I see one right there.
Where? Get it. Get it. Awesome. Let's see. Do you see any more?
Daddy, I wish I had that much eggs.
Oh, you're gonna have plenty of eggs, trust me. It's just a big yard, you gotta look around. Oh, here comes Sheridan. Come help, Sheridan. What's that right there? Here, we gotta help Sheridan find some.
Oh, I got so many eggs.
Sheridan.
We already found all the ones in the backyard, right?
Nope. There's a ton more, I think. Hey, Sheridan. There's one over there.
I think that's not an egg.
No, that's an egg. There's one over there by the steps. Wow. Hey, man, here's one. Look at that. Let's let Sheridan get that one. Here you go, Sheridan.
Is there some in the front yard?
I think they're all over the place, and we have to find them. If we don't find them, the ants are going to get them. There's Sheridan. Get that one. Come on, Tristan. Dude, what's that over there?
Blue one.
Man, if you see him running, get it. Run, 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 run. Yeah. Okay, where's more? I know there's a bunch more. A bunch more.
In the front yard, right?
In the front yard, maybe over here. You gotta walk all the way around the yard.
There's one right there.
Okay, go get it. Run. Hey, Sheridan. Over there. Okay, whatever you want to do. Sheridan. Over there. Oh, you found another one. Sheridan. Just walk along the fence. I bet you they're all along the fence, too. Hey, Tristan. Look what I see. Huh? There's one. What's that over there?
Oh, I get it.
What?
The Easter Bunny put colored eggs of what the plants are going to grow.
It's possible. He might have color coordinated those colored eggs. You never know. Hey, what's that over there under the lamppost?
Right there?
Oh, you're going to leave that one for Sheridan?
Yeah.
Okay, because it's pink. That's cute. Okay.
Yeah. I only got one pink one.
All right, cool. Let's look around over here some.
Green one.
Green one. And a yellow one. Cool.
He put one in the car.
In the car? Where? In the exhaust pipe?
Yeah.
What kind of Easter bunny would do that?
That's weird.
Has to be an Easter bunny that knows you like cars, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said that because he likes the movie Cars.
He likes the movie Cars. Why else? Hey, look. Look at the other car.
Huh?
Duh. He stuck one in my car, too.
That's weird.
Silly Easter bunny.
Maybe he does that to make them run better.
Look, here's another pink one. We'll leave that one for Sheridan. No. Man, that Easter bunny sure likes to stick those in cars. Look at that. Man,
One in here.
what a silly Easter bunny.
Yeah, he is. That's full of eggs.
Okay, now that you've got plenty of eggs, man, we need to help Sheridan find the last of them, okay? Let's help her. Come on.
Let's tell her that there are 7 exhaust pipes.
Well, we got those already, and Sheridan doesn't want to dig in a dirty exhaust pipe. Hey, Sheridan, I see one over there. And I see one over there. Let's go look around in the yard. Sheridan, there's one on the back of my car. There's a pink one. Come on, Justin. Let's go look around in the yard and see if Sheridan missed any. Look to your right, Sheridan. Look to your right. Come on, dude. Let's see. Let's go look in the yard. Make sure.
Yeah, mine sounds like rain. Mine sounds like rain when rain goes on top of your hood.
Go look on the back of the car, Sheridan. The white car. Let's look in here. Hey. There's one. Get it.
Oh, we missed that one, right?
We did. Now let's check around the yard. We don't want to leave any because the ants will get them.
Some of them might be behind me. Let's check. Why didn't he get a basket for you?
Because I'm older. I don't need any Easter eggs. What? Inside the plant?
Yeah.
Give that to Sheridan.
That one was a...
There, you found it for Sheridan. That's a good boy. Hey, look at that. What's that? Look in the tree.
Oh. That's weird. Oh, there's a spider web.
Okay, good. Give it to Sheridan. Let's make sure you guys have about equal, huh?
Yeah. That we can have the same.
Okay.
Now we almost have the same.
Almost. Come on, let's go see if there's more. Did you get the one out of that plant?
Yeah.
Hey, Sheridan forgot that one.
Forgot which one.
Sheridan, pick it up. Do you see it?
Right there.
Okay. Some kitty cat's been eating our azaleas. So there's a kitty cat been eating our azaleas. I don't know. Come on, let's look around the yard. I see one. Awesome. Let's keep looking.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I hear a piglet.
Gonna get them.
I hear a barking piglet.
Who's gonna get some?
Yeah, maybe she might help.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah? Sheridan found a bunch. She's got a basket full. Come on. Okay, we're checking the yard, Dude, that's a bunch of candy.
I like chocolate too.
You like chocolate?
Yeah,
I love chocolate.
I love chocolate too. See?
Where?
This one?
You found one?
Yeah.
Where? Go get it.
They're on your car.
Oh, that's the one I told Sheridan to get. Well, okay. Wait. Look there. Look. The Easter Bunny hid it.